looks like
Oh, she's going. Okay.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. I was gonna video Penny together with her Basset cousin, but looks like they're done playing. Are you done playing? Oh, they're done playing. They were playing, but I was too slow to grab my camera. Yeah, so I have Maggie and Revy on leashes just because Penny and oh man, my brain is terrible. Every time I need to think of a name, it blanks out. Penny and Luna were playing, and Maggie likes to play referee and kind of get in between them, and then Revy likes to cheer him on, and he's like all barky. So anytime there's two playing, I usually like to keep it at two playing, because anytime there's more involved, then it's like 3-on-1 kind of thing. So I try to avoid that, because that's just honestly a recipe for disaster, like dog fights and them getting mad and angry and stuff. So that's why these guys are on leashes for now, for a little bit, and then I'm gonna let them off, especially when we're in the trails. I find when we're in the trails, they are just better because they're just like, oh, there's stuff to do now. Whereas in a field, they, if there's a lot of dogs playing, they like to gather, they like to kind of add sometimes to the chaos. So nothing wrong with dogs playing. In my past experience, I just know that anytime there's a pack and there's a lot of commotion, it turns chaotic in no time. So I always play it safe and just allow 2 dogs to play at a time. Yeah, and then Luna is also kind of bugging Maggie. So that's why I have a leash on her. When I put a leash on her, she behaves a lot better. So and I think it's because psychologically they know that we'll have access to them. Yeah, see, and that's what I mean. Like, whenever there's a group of dogs, it just goes sour really quick. So I do try to avoid crowds. Yeah, because it doesn't take much. Like, once a dog hits their ceiling for tolerance, they just kind of lose it, right? So especially big dogs, I find. Yeah, so we just kind of stick to doing our own thing. Oh, stay down, guys. Stay down. Sorry. Rue, stay down. You know better. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, Maggie, can you sit? Good, sit. Good girl. Okay, and Revy, can you sit so I can take your leash off? Good boy. Good boy, Revy. Good job, bud. Okay, you're good to go. You guys are good to go. Good job, guys. Yeah, I don't mind dogs saying hi at all, right? But like I said, like if there's kind of a bigger crowd and they're all playing, it doesn't take long for one of them to feel like they're being picked on because more than one dog is kind of going at them. So good job, guys. Yeah, once we get on the trails, everybody kind of does their own thing. Okay, so Luna, come. I'm going to take your leash off, bud. Luna, good girl. Sit. Luna. You have to sit so I can take your leash off. Luna, sit. Good, sit. Good girl. Stay. 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 Okay. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Megs. Yeah, everybody's happy to be out. So we're going to be out for a couple hours. Because it is another nice day. It's a little cooler, but it's still nice for a walk. And I'm doing some volunteering. So they will be home for probably about, I'm going to say, because it's from 5:30 till dark, and it gets dark, geez, I think it gets dark at like 7 or 7:30. So 5:30, 7:30, that's 2 hours plus travel time. So they're going to be home for 3 hours, I'd say, after their walk and after they've had supper and let out. So that really all they need to do is just chill. And once again, because I do have quite a few dogs, I will separate them into just the two different, the main floor, the basement, and then I am going to put Maggie separate just because I know one time something happened, so I just want to keep her safe. So not that, she's aggressive or anything, but just based on past, what happened in the past, it's kind of like the best route to take. So, and like I said, they'll be well exercised and tired out and well fed, gone to the bathroom, and so they can just chill for about 3 hours on their own. Good job, guys. Good girl.